Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, Miss Sydney girl is behind me repeating. She said, welcome back. Everything I'm saying, right? So, yes, on that. So, road tripping, right? I want to talk about road tripping because that is something that we do. I want to say, for the most part, it's been our summer vacation, but we've been squeezing in cruise. There she is. We've been squeezing in cruises, during the summer. So it's really, yeah. But I did want to talk about how it is for our family, right, to road trip. Let's get away. So, our road trips are Williamsburg, Virginia. That is as far as we're going to take it in the car. Just because the girls, I'm on a time crunch. I'm on a time crunch. There's not going to be too much of, Kara is what time is it? Almost there. What time is it? Almost there. And that is that is the entire ride. So for us, we're in the Philadelphia, Pennsylvania area, right? So for us to drive to Williamsburg, Virginia is, with no stops, it will probably be about 5.5 hours, right? Let's add another hour because we are going to stop. So, and with traffic, I remember the one year it took us almost 7 hours to get there. I was like, oh my goodness. So Williamsburg started. Really, Carol was in my belly. Sydney was about 4 years old. We wanted to just kind of break up the summer just a little bit. Not a staycation, but kind of like a home away from home. Yeah, if I'm not on a plane, for me, it's kind of a staycation. And this Williamsburg vacation for us, very chill, very relaxed. It is a home away from home. And I kind of uproot, right? And take things from here. Now, I wouldn't be able to do that on a plane. I'm taking air fryers, I'm taking Keurigs, I'm taking all the things, right? So on our last trip, I actually took a bin, right? And it was super convenient. I do a little bit of a food shop, but for the most part, if I can bring things from home, and that's kind of how we're getting rid of some things too, right? Right before back to school is starting, kind of cleaning out the pantry a little bit, right? So this trip is very relaxed, right? And it's pool days. It's, we go out to eat and we'll hit the outlets, and sometimes we will hit Busch Gardens and things. It just depends, right? Water Country USA, right? But for the most part, the girls are chillaxing in the pool. Very chill, right? So, like I told you before, Kara needs to be a part of the process, right? So she's, helping me pack her clothes. And Sydney would too. It's just that I know that is really not her cup of tea. Like I'll ask her to get me this many pair of socks, this many pair of undies or whatever, and she'll put them on the bed for me, and then she's out the door. And that's fine. I will just go in there and do what I need to do, right? Roll everything nice and tight, and we'll be good to go. Everyone has their own things. And as the girls are getting older, I want them to be more independent, right? And they are, to have their own things. It will depend on the space we're in if I need to consolidate and we all need to share, like me, Sydney, and Kara, because hubby has, different toiletries that he uses. So the girls will share, right? Now, when I say like the space, if we're on a cruise, we're sharing for the most part. We have our separate things, but I may have one big toiletry bag. If we're doing something like Disney, right, we have the house. If we're doing Williamsburg, we have, pretty much like a house. So they have their own bedroom, they have their own bathroom, and they have their own things. And that's that's important to me. It's important for them too, to just kind of be on that responsible and just doing things for themselves. I'm not always around. Hubby's not always around. And I want them to know how to move, how to, these are my things. This is what I do. So Virginia is very fun, right? So, it starts here. We're packing. I have to pack up Miss Hershey girl. And, I'm very particular with her food. However many days we're gone, she gets her little lunch bag of food, and everything is very, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or whatever day, morning, night, extra, right? Just in case for her. And I take her to her best friend's pet hotel, right? And she has her little suite, and she's walking up and she's having a good time for how many days we're away, right? So that's always hard for me to drop her off. And she's 2 years old, and we've traveled quite a few times since she's been with us, but I'm getting so much more closer to her. It's harder for me to even think about leaving, but oh my goodness, my baby, my fur baby, right? So she's all packed up. As far as the bin, so my Keurig goes in there, and I do like to use the Nespresso, but hubby doesn't. So, we're going to compromise, and I'll just do the Keurig for the week, right? So I'm taking the Keurig, I'm taking the pods, whatever sugars, my French vanilla creamer that I absolutely love from Wawa has to go with me. I will freeze it, right, the night before so that it will last through the trip, and throw it in the refrigerator when we get there, right? So that's, super easy, right? And just things like paper towels and wipes and, different cleaning products and, bags, peanut butter and jelly, right? Chips and just those type of things. I don't mind to cook. And like I said, it is my vacation, I know, but I also want to relax and chill. It takes me 15 minutes to throw pork chops in the air fryer, throw some rice and beans together, right? And we're done. Throw a pizza in the oven. We don't always need to head out the door. You know what I mean? We have this beautiful property, and the space is just, we can eat dinner at the table, and it's just really calm, right? And that's what all four of us need, that, right? Like I told you, the girls go to school all year round. So to do things and break it up, they have their breaks, but they go to school in the summer for 6 weeks just to keep things on track, right? And to keep them busy, minds flowing, right? So inside the car, I make sure that everyone has wipes, right? And the girls have their lunch bags that they take to, I was going to say work, that they take to school. We basically pack it like they're going to school to get us through, because we may stop. We stop one time at Miss Hershey girl. We stopped one time at the Maryland house because we don't do like breakfast. So because we're out the door in the morning, right? So we'll stop at the Maryland house. We'll, go to the potty and get something to eat before we get back on the road, right? So Kara has her Pop-Tarts, and that's a given. Sometimes she may have hash browns. So let me squeeze that in there. She does love hash browns. I don't know if I ever told you guys that. So she may do hash browns, or as a matter of fact, I think she does the hash browns, and she may do the Pop-Tarts in the car, right? Because there's a Dunkin' Donuts. So we'll do the roundy rounds, right? So yes on that. And then we're in there for about a half hour or so, eat our breakfast, and then right back on the road, and all the way until we get to our destination, which is Williamsburg, Virginia. And we stay at the historic Powhatan Resort. I love it there. I love it there. It started out as being like, we had the floor on the bottom and the floor on the top, someone else, like another family or something. And one year I was just like, I want my own house, right? So now we just have the entire house, and that is better for my family, because that extra space which in the next video, I'll talk about the actual resort, the actual vacation, and just how things are, how the setup is, and everything, and you know, how things are for the girls. That's very important to me, that they are comfortable. And because Sydney and Kara are, they're opposites, I tell you guys, they are opposites, and opposites with things outside of the pool and Disney and things like that, right? But they're opposites. So yeah, the ride is smooth sailing, and I just wanted to get on and kind of start this is how we road trip, right? And spend all that time, right? Those hours together in the car, you know, because them two, they aggravate each other, right? Because Kara is very kind of whiny, and Sydney is like in the car, right? For the most part, they get along. They're sisters. They're sisters, right? Outside of the autism, they are sisters, and you know, so. But yeah, I wanted to get that started, you know, how we pack things and how we get things together in the car and just driving. So, all right, you guys, this was a quick video. I feel like I just wanted to quickly talk about how it is for us to get ready for a road trip, right? And just, you know, it's different. We have to do things a little bit differently. And some families may very well be able to relate, you know, whether you're special needs or just traveling with children, period, right, in the car. So for, you know, that length of a time, you know, what do you do to keep everyone sane? Sydney rocks her headphones. She's and she falls asleep. She is my chill girl, go with the flow. Kara is, we gotta, you know, we're playing games in the car, like it's a whole thing, right? So yes on that. But yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more, you guys. The next video, I'll talk about how it actually is at the resort, what we do, and all the things, right? So I'll see you soon. Bye.